Thank you for the introduction. So, good afternoon, everyone. We are the HydroApp Clean, and today we'll present you the technology HydroClean, a technology that targets contaminants and purifies every drop of water. So, ultra-pure water is a scarce and an essential resource, but did you know that ChatGPT uses about half a liter to answer to one single prompt? So, in fact, there are several emerging consumers of huge volumes of ultra-pure water. For example, the semiconductor companies use about 38 million liters for every day of work. The problem comes when bacteria start to accumulate in the ultra-pure water systems and start to develop biofilms, like it happens, for example, with the plaque in our tooth. Biofilms bring several negative consequences because they are responsible for decreasing the water quality, lowering the product quality. They also lead to a decrease in the process efficiency, and consequently, they raise the operational costs of the systems. So there is a clear need to avoid and to remove biofilm from ultra-pure water systems. Given that, we propose you our technology, HydroClean. HydroClean consists of antimicrobial microparticles, and the idea is that we have a particle core, and the surface of this particle is functionalized with an immobilized biocide, so that these particles can be used for water disinfection. HydroClean is able to eliminate bacteria and to absorb micropollutants from the water without affecting the water conductivity, which is a key parameter for the ultra-pure water and has to remain in really low values. HydroClean works without releasing biocide into the water. It is environmentally friendly because we can collect the particles after the treatment by using filters that industries have installed in place. And it also prevents the spread of antimicrobial resistance genes. So, any industry that uses HydroClean can expect to have no contaminated ultra-pure water, bacteria elimination and biofilm removal from their systems, lower operational costs, and a lower equipment maintenance. So, HydroClean increases the antimicrobial control and reduces the energy costs. In terms of our market, so our total market is the global water disinfection market, which is worth 26 billion euros, and we decided by start focusing on the ultra-pure water market, which is worth 8 billion euros. So, considering an annual growth rate of 8.5%, then it means that in 2032, our addressable market will worth 17 billion euros. So here we have our competitive landscape. So we have HydroClean and its product competitors, and we have a list of criteria that are important for comparing HydroClean with the competitors. So we can see that both HydroClean and the product competitors are all able to eliminate bacteria from the ultra-pure water systems. However, HydroClean stands out because it is energy-free, so it means that it does not require any energy source to work. It also works without releasing biocide into the water, unlike the other competitors. It has no impact in the water conductivity. As we said, it is a strict criteria for the ultra-pure water. And apart from disinfecting the water, it also absorbs micropollutants, which is a critical issue. In terms of our business model, so it starts with sourcing the raw material from suppliers that are available worldwide, and then we follow into an in-house manufacturing, which consists of microparticles functionalization, its drying, packaging, and will have a continuous R&D. So HydroClean will then follow as a powder, and the distributors will be responsible to deliver it into the customers that can be from the segment of the power and energy generation, semiconductor industries, among others. Here we have our business roadmap. So we have defined 5 main tasks. So far, we were already able to reach the first milestone, which comprised the development of a prototype, and currently we are working on the microparticle pilot scale validation using ultra-pure water. The next steps comprise the scale-up of the process, setting up an industrial facility, commercialization, marketing, sales, and later on the market expansion. So we expect to enter the market in 2027, and we are seeking for an investment of 5 million euros until we reach the market, and 3 million euros once we get the market in order to increase our production capacity. Here we have our financials. As we said, we expect that our market entry will occur in 2027, and we expect that we will achieve the break-even 2 years later, so in 2029. And we foresee that later on in 2031, we will get an annual total revenue of about 80 million euros. So our team is composed by me, Ana Rosa, and by Marta Redondo, both graduated in bioengineering from the Faculty of Engineering of the University of Porto, and we are both PhD students in chemical and biological engineering at FEUP. And finally, to wrap it up, HydroClean is then for the industries that require ultra-pure water, that clearly need to avoid biofilms in their systems. So HydroClean promotes bacteria elimination, biofilm removal, micropollutants adsorption, and all of this without releasing biocide into the water. So HydroClean targets contaminants and will purify every drop of water. Thank you very much for your attention.